Okay, my BMW electricity now using cell battery and n13 remote control battery. I mean the key fob. And let's see this key fob. Key fob. Okay. And ignition thinkauto Spark plug 駕駛thinkauto Spark plug air thinkparts air filter 衡派 thinkparts and oil filter thinkparts 2 and particles 0W40 oil and brake using Shandong sdcx pad and winhere brake disc and the Chinese the light sensor and air conditioner using Kenta air conditioning filter and BMW F20 and tires using Chaoyang and current using Chief gasoline. I mean the gas and the fuel we're using Chinese domestic at the military gas station. Shock absorber dust cover the protection kit using this wish and so therefore the fire electricity ignition coil ignition spark plug sparkle the spark plug sparkles oil etc all using Chinese domestic replacement to replace all the European German parts and later having broken parts I will change to all Chinese ones bit by bit testing it. No one ever have done it before, only I am doing it.
Okay, here is my BMW F20 118i n13 engine. So now you can see the hood. Here is the fuse box here. I use the Chinese tool thinkauto Spark plug, which is a Chinese spark plug which runs smooth. And we're here at the fix before it leaked and use the coolant, Chinese Chief coolant. I bought the Taobao from Taobao for the group to fix it, glue it. The glue it so it's okay. And this is the thinkparts air filter. Okay, and using this kind of 0W40 Chinese oil particles also got in tool running fine. So all Chinese products, and this is alloy valve cover I changed before it was just black one. So it's okay because it's oil leak before. It's the normal problem, right? It's turbo and the turbo pipe also easy to leak air or something, so you need to take care of it. Oil leak or something, the crankshaft, those kind of areas may have leaking. So this is the radiation wheel. Okay, and I changed the aluminum alloy valve cover so no more leaking, and it has the VVT, the Valvetronic, so they have the Valvetronic technology, so they changed the oil. So here no more oil I changed because the crankshaft seal before it was leaking, but now it's okay, fixed. So it's the normal common problems as well for oil leaking, for the crankshaft seal and that coil, that kind of area around the crankshaft, so will have leaking. This is also very important for the pipe, to check for the pipes for the oil leak. This valvetronic technology is the air intake will have different position when the valvetronic with the motor move the shaft, and then the area open more or smaller, controlling the air intake. So that car is the valvetronic technologies from this BMW engine, especially like the Honda VVT technologies. It's changing from time to time when you put more accelerations, and then the positions of the intake air that inside the intake, the valve with different positions with different air input, which makes the car more powerful. And this is the changing the position, the location for this position for the wheel, that kind of using the electric wheel. No need to put oil for the driving wheel. Okay, no more oil leaking, and this is the ECU to control the whole car. And this is the coolant. Here is the bell bond Chinese. The freon I already inserted, so everything's fine, everything's good, all set, and no more leaking now. Just minor, very minor leaking. Now no need to top up the oil before 1 liter. So here is the TP thinkauto, also the oil filter, Chinese one. Before 3000 km I needed to top up 1 liter engine oil. Now no need, already fixed, because mainly the oil leak from the crankshaft. The crankshaft seal, the front side crankshaft seal for leaking. And okay, coolant position okay. And also the brake vacuum pump, the seal also leaking. That's why I fixed it, so no more leaking before it leaked. So those are the minor problems of this engine, but this is very good because 170 horsepower. 170 horsepower with this kind of small car, I think it's very good already, and it runs fast, and also we have it gears ZF 8-speed transmission. So I think it's good because this transmission is very reliable comparing to the DSG double clutch transmission by the VW or Audi. So this is very good, and the inside the interior I think it's okay. They back to 2012, that time, the area having that kind of interior thing is also very high-ended, luxurious already. The key fob I also changed to Chinese Chuanying battery, so everything is Chinese, even the key fobs battery. So the autofix I use the Chinese I bought on Taobao for the OBD2 checking the car. So everything is Chinese. The air, sparkles, oil, everything is Chinese. And you get the leather seat. 2 front seats are electric, so it's okay to adjust the position by electricity, not using the hand. I think it's good. The glasses is Fuyao Chinese glasses as well, so everything is Chinese. So the CF 8-speed transmission is good. So the RPM is very low when you are running the car, and the back side I think is okay. 5 people sitting. For 1.7 meter people okay, girls, children okay, but for the fatter people, stronger or taller people, maybe a little bit narrow, but no problem. Just the front side seat, just put it more about forward, and that will okay, more spacey. And then the back okay. And I changed the sail Chinese battery 88800. The starting power The amp, I think it's okay. The cell battery, Chinese battery is also okay. The AGM one is very big amp. So the tire, Chinese Chaoyang, it's written Chaoyang tire. Okay, and also this is a Chinese SU318, and also I changed the lead switch by put it on Tuhu, the absorber case protector, the protector kit you can see, because it's broken. So the disc, the brake disc is the winhere, Chinese one, and sdcx, the brake pad. So everything is Chinese products matching the BMW. Also SDX, the brake pad, and everything Chinese. Lead switch, the shock absorber protection, protective kit, protection case. Okay, everything in Chinese matching this German imported car. So German plus Chinese parts, Germany car, German case. Also here is the Kinta air conditioning filter, right? Everything is Chinese. Even my inhale air also through the Chinese products. This is the BMW F20 118i n13 engine with turbocharger, ZF 8-speed transmission, VVT electronic controlling, new electronic control intake. So this is very good, very small, very good. And this is very important, is the rear wheel drive. So it's a true BMW and sheer driving pleasure. Okay. Oh, now it started very well with the Chinese Spark, the thinkauto. You can see driving smooth. So the gas, also Chinese gas, the fuel, I mean. So now it's driving, and the RPM, you can see the rotation is under 1000 RPM because it's the 8-speed with the turbocharger, 170 horsepower. That's why, comparing to Japanese car with those kind of CVT or 5-speed, when you run the highway, the freeway, 120 will have the 3000 over RPM, but this car just 2000 RPM around when you running freeway 120 km/h. That's why it's the 8-speed transmission's power. Normally running 1.5 RPM around 1500 RPM around when you're driving under 100 km/h. So this is very good by this 8-speed, and also this turbo. So turbocharger, that's why with the VVT, the electronic, that's why it's very gas saving, I can say, because normally I just filled 400 something around for a month, because even I everyday drive, because now I can drive my car to Zhuhai, my car to North, so that it will be more gas savings because of the turbo and the 8-speed. I think comparing to DSG is also okay, but more powerful, but this 8-speed ZF transmission is more reliable, I can say, because no more braking or broken something, but DSG is easy to be broken. So this is maintenance is better for the transmission, but the engine I think is not so great because more minor problems, oil leak, air leak, and electronic something, those kind of minor problems, or the solenoid and something, some kind of problems that you need to fix it, the valve cover, oil leak, those kind of things. And sometimes it's choking for the carbon. You need to clean the carbon because the engine will shaking sometimes. So I think it's good, driving fine with this 8-speed. Now it's okay, no more oil leaking, air leaking, fixed around some kind of investments when you first buy this car. So it's this perfect Chinese parts mixing the German parts.